Now we are ready to learn the signs and names of different rhythmic values. We are not going to worry about how to count them yet. We will work on that tomorrow. Today we will just focus on the names and how to draw them. First, we'll need to learn the different parts that a note can have. This dot here at the bottom is what we call the note head, and it can be filled in or it can be empty. And then this beam is what we call a stem. And sometimes notes have what we call flags. This is an eighth note and it has a flag. When eighth notes are joined together, they're joined together with what we call a beam. And then this is what we call an eighth rest, and then an eighth rest has another part that sometimes we call a flag. Here we have a whole note. These are half notes. It looks just like a whole note, only it has a stem through it. Notes with a stem can have stems going up or down. These are dotted half notes. It looks just like a half note, only it has a dot that always appears on the right side. We have a quarter note here. Quarter notes look just like a half note, only we fill in the note head. And here is an eighth note. When an eighth note appears by itself, it has a flag. When eighth notes appear together in groups, they are beamed together like this. Here is a whole rest. A whole rest looks like an upside down top hat. And here is a half rest. A half rest looks like an upside down whole rest, or in other words, it looks like a half of a top hat. And here is a quarter rest. A quarter rest looks like a bolt of lightning with a C at the bottom. And here is an eighth rest. An eighth rest has what we call a flag with a stem going slanted. Your assignment today, other than writing your music on the staff paper with the proper spacing, is to practice drawing these rhythmic note values. If you have time at the end of class, work on also memorizing the note names of these note values. Please visit your handout for today for the worksheet on this assignment, and enjoy, and I will see you in lesson 5.